Welcome to week 3 of our 17-week series, where we will walk through our building center, giving you an in-depth look at our process of building your new Palm Harbor home. This week, we will continue at the subfloor.
Hi folks, this is Howard Broughton. I'm with Palm Harbor over the Fort Worth Building Center. Today we're going to give you a treat and show you some things that you don't normally see because it's all covered up. We're going to talk about the flooring structure. So in this particular station, what they're doing is they're taking the 2x6 floor joists that are on 16-inch centers, and down below you see all the insulation that is put down below so that your water lines are up above that and your drain system is up above that and it's strapped in. So all that is well insulated to keep it protected from the weather. The next job they're going to do, they're going to lay glue down on the top of these joists. And when that glue goes down, the panels go on top of it. And these panels, if you can see over here, have been staggered so that you have a much stronger floor due to the fact that one panel may be 8 feet long, another panel beside it will be 4 feet long. So you don't have any seams going across your floor all the way across. They're staggered as it goes down. It builds a stronger floor because when you ship a house with drywall, you want to do everything you can to make that floor very rigid and reduce the opportunity of any drywall cracking because of shipments. Now let's step forward over here. This is showing you the next phase of what goes on. You see how the floor is laid out? The joints are staggered. That's a short piece and a long piece, giving you a stronger floor. When this panel goes down, you can see the glue that has come out below it, where they put that glue onto the side of it. That's been glued. It's been mechanically fastened, and it used tongue and groove. Code does not tell us that we have to use tongue and groove panels. Most manufacturers will use the butt joint. And what happens with the butt joint is it has a tendency to rise itself up. You can feel that joint then under your foot, barefoot, when you walk in the bathroom. You're not going to get that with a Palm Harbor because these are tongue and groove type of panels. This is put on, it's glued down, mechanically fastened, and you see that green that's been put on that end of it so water won't get into it? Every place where we put a hole through to run plumbing up through the floor, we will also seal that. Now hold a second, let me show you. Let's step over here. At this phase, what has happened is they're cutting a hole through the floor for the plumbing to come up to, say, a lavatory. You see this green paint that's been put on here? That helps seal that off so that moisture will not get into that. The flooring goods is all one solid sheet, so there's no seams. It doesn't allow water to go through it. Before this flooring goes down, this is bow floor, before it goes down, that floor has been sanded where this seam is right here. And those sanders go down there and they sand where that seam is. If you can't feel it with your hand, you're not going to feel it with your bare foot when you're walking on that floor. This gives you a much more beautiful floor. It's longer lasting and durable, and it's going to be much more luxurious because it's the brand new collars that have come out from bow floor. One other thing is when the siding goes on the side of your home, this paper here, which is super strong, the biggest guy we got in the plant can walk on it, it covers underneath our home. That goes up and the siding goes over it, so any moisture or rain that hits the side of your house does not go into the belly, it's shielded away. So that's put on there, that's been sealed, that's a 2x6. It does have glue on it, and it makes a very sturdy, strong floor. And of course you can see the I-beam that comes across on both ends and it's tied together with a U-channel to keep that thing rigid so that floor is solid. This is the basis of a good floor built by Palm Harbor, and they give you a long, lasting, sturdy floor for you and your family. Tune in next week where we'll take you down to the wall section and show you how we're building the walls to fit across the floors as we're moving up the production schedule. Have a great day.